If you feel like you're playing life in tutorial mode, while everyone else seems to be winning, listen closely. 2026 is not about working harder. It's about a complete mental reset. In just 90 days, you can become a stranger to your old self. Not by motivation, not by luck, but by discipline. This is the Stoic Blueprint, a 12-week transformation designed to rebuild your mind, your body, and your future. Phase 1. Days 1 to 30. Control your mind. The first 30 days are about one thing: silence. You cannot build a kingdom with a brain addicted to cheap noise. Endless scrolling, constant entertainment, instant pleasure. These keep you weak. So for the first 30 days, you detox. You wake up earlier. You write instead of scroll. You read instead of consume. You walk alone with your thoughts. This is called the dopamine cleanse. It's not punishment, it's freedom. Because once the noise disappears, your mind becomes sharp again. You start to hear your own thoughts. You regain control. You stop reacting and start choosing. Discipline begins here. Phase 2. Days 31 to 60. Control your body. The next 30 days are about voluntary discomfort. Pain is not your enemy. It is your teacher. Cold mornings, hard workouts, simple food, long walks, less comfort, more effort. You train when you don't feel like it. You move when your mind says stop. You build strength through resistance. This phase teaches you one powerful truth. If you can control your body, you can control your life. Weak habits create weak futures. Strong habits create strong destinies. You don't chase comfort anymore. You chase mastery. Phase 3. Days 61 to 90. Control your future. Now comes the final phase. The last 30 days are about purpose. You choose one mission, one goal, one direction. You study daily. You work in silence. You create instead of consume. You stop announcing your plans and start executing them. This is where discipline becomes identity. You no longer ask, who do I want to be? You become that person, day by day, quietly, relentlessly. Even Marcus Aurelius, ruler of the Roman Empire, chose to sleep on the floor at times, not because he had to, but because he wanted to master himself before ruling others. He understood something most people forget. A man who conquers himself needs no external validation. The Stoics believed in one core idea. You cannot control the world, but you can control your response. You can control your habits, your thoughts, your discipline, your actions. And when you control those, you control your destiny. So here is your 90-day challenge. Days 1 to 30. Clean your mind. Days 31 to 60. Strengthen your body. Days 61 to 90. Build your future. No excuses, no comfort, no shortcuts, because comfort makes you weak. Discipline makes you unstoppable. And the version of you that exists 90 days from now is watching your choices today. Start now. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Now. Your future self is waiting.